Holy heck, the size of this thing. Now, this is a 77-inch Ambilight TV, it's OLED from Philips. Looking forward to unboxing it. And of course, the safest way to do this is basically to wait for somebody else to unbox this with you, because 2 pairs of hands are obviously better than 1. But we are humans by nature, and we want to just see this thing right here, right now. So I'm on my own right now, and I want to see this set up. So how do we go about unboxing and setting up a massive TV like this by yourself? Well, the first thing to do is cut the straps. So we'll get rid of those straps there. Right, once you've got the top off, remove all things that are in the top section. We've got the instruction manuals and things there. This is the ports, the legs, and the power lead. So take all that out, make sure there's nothing left in there. Now, most big TVs, once you remove the straps and cut the tape on top, the top will just slide straight off. So let's do that next. All right. Right, these big polystyrene pieces we took off when we first unpacked it, but do not get rid of them, because we are going to use them. We're going to put them back on top of the TV, because we still need to attach the feet safely. Let's do that. Right, so this particular TV, we've still got a bottom box protector there which it's sitting in. I have got a different stand I want to put this on, but if you're going to use the original feet, it's very straightforward. Just very carefully lay the TV down. This is why we still use this packaging here, and it'll be nice and flat. You can then take off the bottom part here and attach the feet that come with it, and then it's just a case of tipping it up again carefully, and then you will need 2 people for the next bit. Person either end, lift it carefully onto your TV stand. But I'm going to attach a different stand. This is the front of the TV, the back is at the back. So what we have to do first of all is lay it down very, very carefully. Right, but as a safety first thing, just to be extra sure, I'm going to move the TV back towards that fireplace that was behind me, because I don't want to be lowering this down towards me and it suddenly slip out. It shouldn't do, but safety first. By doing that, you actually give yourself a little bit more space to work with at the same time. Let's lower this down carefully. Making sure that top polystyrene stays in place. There we go. Alright, that's why it's essential to keep those original polystyrene pieces. Now we can safely remove this large bottom piece. Move this forward a bit. Let's keep the polystyrene on there for now. Right, so that is that large bottom piece removed now. Let's get rid of that. Right, now we can take off that back protector part. It's now safe to remove the lower parts of the polystyrene. And we want to remove this cover now. I'm going to have to tear this for a minute because it's still got the polystyrene on the edges. Let's take it off. The rest of it will come away naturally when we finish putting the stand on. So we've got our bolts there for our stand. Let's go and get our stand for this. So the stand this is going on, it's got its own feet and it's designed for large screens, and I've already got these parts ready to attach to the TV. And if you're going to use the feet that come with it, this is pretty straightforward now. You can just attach them yourself. At the bottom there, you may have to raise it up slightly to do that, but once you've done that, just again carefully tilt it forward, and then with another person just lift it on to your TV unit. Well, there it is, as if by magic, on a TV unit far more suitable for its size. Now the only thing I've got to do is tidy up all these wires, because I do hate all the wires on show. I want to pin them all together and hide them behind the legs, so hardly any wires are visible at all. But as I said earlier though, do not try and lift up a TV of this size onto the entertainment unit. It's just going to end in tears and wait for somebody else to give you a hand with that. This video is basically all about the early preparation and being able to get ready to watch the TV as quickly as possible. But there's a video. If you enjoyed it, it'd be really cool if you bash that like and subscribe button. It really does help. But most of all, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.